Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2014 on a 64 reg wheelchair adapted Peugeot Partner Horizon with an allied conversion. This one's a nice little price rangey one. It's done 44,000 miles, which is slightly higher than what we normally keep in stock. But what makes this vehicle attractive is the price compared to the lower mileage vehicles. So someone looking for a newer vehicle but hasn't quite got the budget of a low mileage vehicle, this would be ideal, especially taxi drivers. We do understand that we only have a certain budget when it comes down to, but your local authorities insist on the vehicle being under a certain age. So late 2014. It's a manual 5-speed gearbox, pretty standard with the extras. So you've got your electric windows either side of the console, hazard warning switch there, you've got your air conditioning. We don't generally stock vehicles without air conditioning. There are your heater controls there, fan speed, temperature, etc. So direct from Motability. It's got a full main dealer service history, so it's been well maintained throughout its life. If I just lean in here, both seats have got the armrests. Optional extra, would you believe? Most of them have, but not all of them. So coming to the back seats, it's got the 3 original rear seats, and being a tripod conversion, which has got the wider floor, they also come with folding individual seats. So this vehicle, depending on the size of the wheelchair or scooter, will accommodate. So just lift that there, that comes down, so you've got a space there, so it will take up to 4 passengers and the wheelchair, depending on the size of the chair. Unlike the earlier ones where they got the narrower floor and you have to tip and fold 2 of the seats out of the way. So slightly more versatile this year and model. Coming around to the back, you've also got a slight difference on how the fold flat ramp operates. So you've got a lever there for fold flat, that lifts up, and also one for lower to the ground. So unlike the old one where it was sprung loaded, on this one just pull the strap, that goes to that position there on the upright. In the upright position also you can fold this part down, so it makes it a little bit less height on there, so a little bit more vision if you wanted to leave it in that position. So from this position here, lower to the ground, comes out, and there we go, as easy as that. So coming into the back of the vehicle, it's got a 33-inch wide floor, so 3 inches wider than the earlier models, which enables the possibility of a wheelchair being able to fit in and also carrying 4 passengers. So still the same 4-point securing, 2 on the front, which are electric, along with the electric winch, and also 2 manual ones on the back. We do have how-to videos on our website to show you how this is operated and how to secure a wheelchair, but don't worry, we can give you a demonstration if you want a home visit or if you come and visit us. Also on collection or delivery, we'll also give you a demonstration. So we're always here to help. We're not here to sell you a car. It's important to us that we maintain the relationship through the ownership, and we also offer to buy back your car. Something a lot of dealers we find don't, but we're happy to. We know the history of our vehicles. We're happy to buy back anything that we sell, so it makes life easier for you. So we're here for you throughout the ownership and when you decide to sell the vehicle as well. See, the car's in grade A condition. As is with all of our vehicles, we carry around about 25 WAVs in stock. This one's got the trays at the back on either of the front seats with a cup holder. As I say, carry about 25 WAVs in stock. They're suitable for taxi drivers, private disabled users, care homes. So we carry vehicles that are generally for all types of buyer. We do have the occasional vehicle which are just for the private mobility users, but they're few and far between. As I say, very little wear on the car, even though it's done 44,500 miles. You know, it's in as good a condition as something that's done 25,000 miles quite easily. Very well presented car. If you're looking to part exchange, it doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We have different ways of getting the most for your part exchange. So if you want to give us a call on 01634 716 911, we'll talk you through the process quite happily. If you want to have a look at the vehicles before you give us a call or come to visit us at ME2 4RL Cooling Road Service Station, you can do so by looking on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Thanks for watching.